auto start cycle. Comes down till she hits a load or something, then she'll retract. We're gonna hit there. We're gonna open this. Over here, turn this wheel, flip this hinge out. Now, bottom door swings, and as that swings, this hook right here comes out. So you bring the door open. That right there is your ejector. So as the ram goes back up, that hook's gonna hook here, it's gonna fling this ejector up. So now she comes out, she flips. So now you can shut the door. Your bale is gone. Shut the door. Bring that back down. Hit auto cycle down, and you'll hear it. It's gonna let that thing release. You'll know when it disengages. Release, your injector is back down, and then you start a new cycle.